Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name's Peter. I'm a retired maritime trainer and assessor. These days I'm the captain of a rescue vessel and I conduct private tutoring sessions, and as an invigilator with the Office of Maritime Communications, I conduct marine radio licence exams. Today's video is a quiz. Now if you're applying for any type of marine licence or qualification, you are at some stage going to have to sit an exam or an assessment. So the quizzes that I make, and I do make quite a lot of them, are designed to challenge your knowledge of different marine topics such as sounds, navigation lights, shapes, flags, buoys, etc. I'm sure you get the picture. The point is the quizzes are not specifically a teaching process. If you make a mistake, then you could improve your learning by going back and studying the errors, but the primary reason for the quizzes is to challenge you on what you should already know regarding nautical subject. Now before starting, make sure you have a pen and some paper with you. Even if you don't know the answer to a question, you should still make a note of the actual question so that you can go back and check it with the answers at the end of the video. Today's video is about navigation lights. Now these lights are really the basic lights anyone operating a vessel at night should be able to identify. This quiz contains 15 questions and images with the answers displayed at the end. Remember, the aim of the regulations is to avoid collision. So having the basic skill of being able to identify common navigation lights and being able to interpret what the other vessel is doing is extremely important. Okay, let's get started. So how did you go? If you got anywhere above 90%, congratulations. That's a fabulous effort and a fabulous result. If you did struggle on a question, then you should go back and do some revision. You can also email me at truenorthmarine.com@gmail.com if you need any clarification of a question. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.